morning, children. Today we will learn about a very interesting topic, that's food. So what is food actually? Food is anything that can be eaten or drunk which provides the energy to our body along with vitamins and minerals. So food is anything that can be eaten or drunk which provides our body with enough of energy along with vitamins and minerals is called food. So what is the use of food to our body? The food provides us the energy. Food also provides us with the vitamins and minerals which helps us our body to get the immunity. Immunity is the ability of the body to fight against the diseases. So in short, we can say that food provides us the power to fight against the diseases. And another one important thing, food helps us for the growth. So three important functions of the food are: food helps us to get the energy, food helps us to for the growth, food helps us to build the immune system of our body. So daily we cannot eat the same food. Why we cannot eat the same food? There may be some favorite food of yours. Let's take it as pizza, okay? We cannot eat the same pizza every day, same food every day, because the food contains some constituent, major constituent. We cannot have the same constituent daily. We need to have all the constituents of the body. The five major constituents of the food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. You also repeat along with me: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. So these are the five major constituents of the food. So carbohydrates. Where does the carbohydrates comes from? From where we get the carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are main constituents of the grains. Grains are like wheat, maize, rice. These are the food which contains carbohydrates in large amount. Along with these grains, sugary food like your candy, sugar, everything contains carbohydrates in a larger amount. Next comes the protein. Proteins are found mainly in pulses like your urad dal, grams, beans are the major contributors of the protein. Then from the milk, meat, egg also provides the proteins. Next comes the fat. Fat is mainly obtained from oil seeds like groundnuts, safflower, sunflower and also egg, meat, ghee, milk, etc. Vitamins and minerals are mainly found in leafy vegetables and fruits and vegetables. Okay, so these are the main constituents of the food, and also we got to know from where we will get those constituents. So carbohydrates and fats are major food constituents which will provide us with the energy. Carbohydrates and fats provides the energy to our body. So they can be called as energy giving foods. What are they? Carbohydrates and fats. Next, the protein. Protein helps in growth of the body. Protein helps in growth of the body. Vitamins and minerals play a protective role. What does they protect us from? They protect us from the diseases. They helps us to fight the diseases. They helps us to grow the immune system. They makes our immune system strong. So they are said to have the protective role in our body. So let us repeat once again. Carbohydrates and fats are energy giving foods. Proteins help for the growth. Vitamins and minerals have the protective role in our system. So we have learned this. Next is, what happens when you will not have enough of food? You are said to be malnutrition. You are said to be malnutrition. So excessively if you intake fat, that condition is called obesity. Excessively we eat sugary and fatty food, the condition is said to be obesity. In obesity we tend to gain a lot of weight, which is not good to our body. It makes our immune system very weak, which is not good. So what we have to do so that we will never become obese? We have to be active, we have to exercise, we have to practice yoga. 21st June is said to be celebrated as International Yoga Day. This is the month where we have celebrated International Yoga Day. So we have to exercise more, we have to practice yoga, we have to run, jump, so that we will not become obese. Along with that, you have to reduce the consumption of fatty and sugary substances, sugary foods. Though the candies are very sweet, they are very attractive, we should not eat them more. We have to limit the consumption of sugary foods. Next is vitamins. We will study the vitamins in detail. There are 4 main vitamins: A, B, C, D and K. We will not study about K. A, B, C, D. Vitamin A deficiency causes blindness in our body. Vitamin B deficiency causes disease called beriberi. Vitamin C deficiency causes scurvy. Vitamin D deficiency causes soft bone, that is calcium deficiency. There are 4 vitamins and their deficiency diseases you have to learn. Vitamin A causes blindness. Vitamin B deficiency causes beriberi. Vitamin C deficiency causes scurvy. Vitamin D deficiency causes soft bone. Based on the food the animal eat, they can be classified into 3 types. They are herbivore, carnivore and omnivore. Herbivore are the animals which eat plants and plant products. Carnivore are the animals which eats only the flesh or the meat of the other animal. Omnivore are the animals which eat both plant products and also the meat of the other animal. Based on this concept, we will do a small activity. So here they have given the example. Buffalo eats the grass, oil cakes, hay and grains. Cat will eat the small animals, birds and milk. Rat will eat food grains. Lion will eat meat. Tiger will eat meat. Spider eats insects. House lizards, other insects. Cow, grass, hay, oil cakes. Human beings will also eat insects and plant products. Butterfly will suck the nectar from the flowers, that is a sweet juice from the flowers. Crow eats the small insects and the grains. So from this we have to decide whether they are herbivores, carnivore or omnivore. Let us see. Buffalo eats only the grass, oil cake, hay and grains. So it can be said as herbivore. So we will write buffalo here. Okay. Next, cat. Cat also eats small animals and also birds and milk. So we can say that it is a carnivore cat. We will write cat here. Okay. Next, rat. Rat eats food grains. So it is a herbivore. Rat is a herbivore. So lion eats the meat. It is a carnivore. We will write lion here. Okay. Tiger eats meat. That's why we will write tiger in the carnivore section. Spider eats the insects. So we can say that spider is a carnivore. We will write spider here. Okay. Next, cow eats grass, hay and oil cakes. So all these are plant products. That's why cow is written in the herbivore section. So next is butterfly. Butterfly eats only the plant product. That's why we will write butterfly below the buffalo. Next is crow. Crow eats insects and also the grains. That's why it is a omnivore. We will write crow here. So remaining you have to fill by your own. You can write whatever the animal you remember that are herbivores here in this section, carnivore, below this one omnivore in this section.